Hello everybody, welcome back to my 2018 Halloween card series. Today I am using the Pink and Main Pumpkin Spice set, which is not really a Halloween set, but I knew when I saw the little cup with the skull that it would be perfect to stretch it into a Halloween card. So I'm going to be using some purples, some lime greens, and some blacks again for this card. It's kind of my favorite color combination for Halloween cards. I'm not the biggest fan of orange, so I really like these three together. So you can see here I'm moving quickly through everything. Going forward, I'm planning to have different length videos on my channel. I know sometimes I don't have a lot of time and I just want to watch a quick video, so I will have my regular longer videos, but I'm also hoping to throw in some of these shorter ones when you're short on time and just want to watch something quick. So to finish up the coloring, I'm just adding a little bit of IG1 on the image pieces that I want to keep white, and then I'm going to fussy cut these out and start on the background panel for the card. I'm using a one layer panel here in Twisted Citron, so this is a super quick and simple background to do. I'm going to add some water to that and get a nice oxidization here for some interest on this panel. And then I'm going to bring out old school Martha Stewart punch. This is the Drippy Goo. Do you guys remember when this was like the it thing to have? I saw Tim Holtz has come out with a die, so I'll try to link that below because I don't believe you can get the punch anymore. So I'm using my Fawn embossing pen here on the lime green parts, and I'm going to add the Fawn glow in the dark embossing powder. So I'm hoping that these little pieces will glow in the dark when all is said and done. And if I can get a good picture of it, I will put that at the end of the video. So just emboss that. Now I'm going to add some black ribbon here to this panel so I can have something for the images to kind of sit on. I'm going to adhere this panel to my card base, which is an A2 size card at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I did pop up the images on some fun foam just to give them a little bit of dimension. Had to pull a cat hair off there. So once I get those in place, I'm going to stamp the sentiment, which reads, "Every day with you is a treat." And that is from the MFT Frightfully Sweet stamp set that I've used in this series already. So I'm just showing you a quick picture of that. I did stamp out the sentiment twice each just to get that nice crisp image. Now I'm just going to add a bow to the front of the card for some extra detail. And then I wanted to add some of the Morning Dew Nouveau drops on the little topping for the whipped cream, and then I'm going to bring in the White Blizzard, which has some glitter in it. I wanted it to look like sugar candy pieces on the images. So there's the card complete. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you really soon in the next video. Bye!